These are must-try 4 healthy foods you probably missed while you are in Kazakhstan or going to visit this country. Kymyz is a traditional Kazakh drink made from fermented horse milk. Known as the Nomad's champagne, it is a cornerstone of Kazakh hospitality. Vitamin-rich. High in vitamins as well as essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Immune booster. Historically used as a treatment for respiratory illnesses and to strengthen the immune system. Appearance. A thin, milky white liquid, much lighter in consistency than yogurt or kefir. Kazakh plov, or palau, is a legendary one-pot rice dish that serves as the heart of any major celebration. While traditionally rich, the authentic Kazakh version focuses on high-quality, whole ingredients that make it a surprisingly nutritious power meal. What's inside? The protein, usually tender lamb or beef, providing essential iron and high-quality protein. Why it's healthy. Slow-cooked digestion. The long, slow cooking process breaks down the fats and fibers, making it easy on the stomach. Iron and energy. The combination of red meat and complex carbohydrates provides sustained energy, perfect for the nomadic lifestyle. Natural spices. Cumin and garlic are natural anti-inflammatories and aid in metabolism. Healthy fats. When prepared traditionally with high-quality oil or fat, it provides the good lipids needed for brain health and vitamin absorption. Shubat is a traditional Kazakh health drink made from fermented camel's milk. It is often considered a richer, more potent alternative to Kymyz. Diabetes support. Famous for its high content of insulin-like proteins, making it a natural aid for regulating blood sugar. Digestive aid. Packed with natural probiotics that soothe the stomach and improve gut health. Nutrient-dense. Contains 3 times more vitamin C and 10 times more iron. Fishbarmak, or Beshbarmak with fish, is a healthy modern twist on Kazakhstan's national dish. Traditionally found in the western Caspian regions like Atyrau and Aktau. Instead of traditional horse meat or lamb, this version uses red fish, typically sturgeon, salmon, or Caspian Beluga. The fish is poached in a delicate broth and served over thin, hand-rolled pasta sheets, shellpeck, with plenty of steamed onions. Why it's healthy. Omega-3 Powerhouse. Red fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and glowing skin. Lean protein. It offers a lighter, lower-calorie protein. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed the review, and we are going to be helpful for you. Welcome to Kazakhstan.